agricultural industry in Indonesia has rapidly changed thanks to technology development. Indonesia agricultural industry is still blooming despite the COVID-19 pandemic. On today's video, we have listed some technologies that help Indonesia's agricultural industry. Transplanter. This technology is recommended by the Ministry of Agriculture's Research and Development for rice cultivation. It is claimed to increase rice productions by up to 30%. Indo Combine Harvester. This Indo Combine Harvester is a rice harvesting tool that helps farmers to cut and pack the ready-to-harvest rice. Superior Seed Selection Machine. These machines are widely used during seeding process since it can help farmers select the best seed quality. These machines is not only used for select rice seed but also others, such as superior hybrid corn seeds. Soybean dryer. This soybean dryer can shorten the drying process, which usually takes up to 8 days. By using this machine, farmers can shorten the process to 1 day. Waste treatment plant. By applying waste processing plant technology, livestock waste can be converted into organic fertilizer, which is very beneficial for plants.